Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 to Sony Device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them, tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then you need to install this app from this developer and open it. From this screen over here, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then wait for this one to download and do exactly the same. So open, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select Receive on Sony and Send on this Samsung tablet. Following that, choose all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a while though, so I will go with only one photo. Just send and tap on Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can input key, this one over here, and then just tap on Receive or scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, tap on this scanning icon on Sony, then choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. Now we need to wait a bit. And now as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!